Hello people, today I'm going to show you the best hosting provider that I know for this month. It's Hostinger. They got really fast hosting, it's really up and running. You will be up and running in less than 10 minutes. It costs only $2 per month. You don't get it cheaper because why you need hosting? You need hosting to store your website somewhere, to create your very own website. So right over here is the Hostinger login page. So you can pay per month and it will cost you only $3 and you will be up and running. So they got really much packages, so you can choose what you want. You can pay for a whole year, but I prefer you to pay per 12 months or per month. You can always ask a refund, don't worry. And right over here, we got the login, and I will log into my Hostinger panel. Don't save this, and I will go back to hostinger.com, the link in the description. Over here we can choose our plugins and kind of stuff, but we don't need them, so we can hit next. Now we enter here our new blog. You can add your domain right now if you want. You can purchase it and it will be up and running with your domain in just a few minutes. That's insane good. We will continue, we will upload. We will load the WordPress panel. I skipped the video a little bit because it takes long. And there we are. It's nearly installed. It can take up to a few minutes. And we are at the dashboard. So now we're going to go to WordPress. Click on admin panel. And we will wait until it's loaded. And navigate to appearance and starter templates. Once we have done that, we will wait. And here are a lot of templates with the classic static starter templates. And you can choose the pro version if you want, links in the description. But I prefer to use the free one or paid, what you want. So right over here, we are going to select premium or all, and we're going to import them with one click. Now building the website, we just imported it. It's loading. You will be up and running, and it's a beautiful site, and you don't have to spend anything. Okay, congratulations, your site is done. Let's look. Okay, that's pretty cool. But he does only voiceovers. I don't like voiceovers. I do everything on my own, but right over here, you can customize this if you want. And if you want to do a full course on WordPress, links in the description. This is a really good template. We can customize everything. And if you need help with it, the link is in the description. And you can hire someone on the platform, on Fiverr or my own platform. So right over here. And then we can customize this. And it's not difficult, you just drag and drop. You're nearly done. If you need customization, you can hire people. And right over here, but you can also do it on your own. Right over here, we adjust this a little bit, and you can just drag and drop and make these larger or bigger or smaller, like whatever you want. So now we're going to continue. And right over here, you can add images if you want. You can add whatever you want, just to be sure. So yeah, we've created just a beautiful website. You can go back also, and if you want the full course, link is in the description. But I think this is a really good website. It's just drag and drop. It's very easy. I don't have to explain. So right over here, and you can drag and drop like everything. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and watch my other videos. And I will see you soon. So let's show the website, and then I will see you soon.